We're starting now chapter 4, section 1, in page number 294 in your textbook. We're talking about today is the exponential notation. Say, for example, we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So we have 4 3's here. So we write down as 3 to the power 4. 3 is known as the base, 4 is the power. If we are asked to find out the value of 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, it will be 81. The next topic we're talking about is zero exponent. Any base, as I said, the base number is 3 in the previous example. Now we have an example where the base number is 2, power is 0, it is always 1. Base 3 to power 0 is also 1. Base A to power 0 is also 1. Base Y to the power 0 is also 1. Then we're moving on to something which is how to evaluate algebraic expression or evaluation of algebraic expressions. In this example, I have x squared plus 2x. We have to evaluate this when x equals 2. So what we do here is we plug in for x the value for x being 2. So we write down 2 for x, which is 2 in parentheses square because it is x squared. Then we have plus 2 times 2, which is 4. So finally we have 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. Another example. Let's say we have 5x in parentheses to power 2 when x is negative 1. So we first multiply 5 times negative 1, then we raise the power to 2. So it will be like this, negative 10 to the power 2, which is negative 10 times negative 10, and ultimately the answer is 100. Next topic we're talking about now is multiplying the exponents with the same base. This means the base has to be same when we multiply. Say, for example, we have x to the power 3 in parentheses times x to the power 2 in parentheses. So in this case, we add the powers like 3 and 2. X and x is the base, so the base has to be same when you multiply. Then finally, we have x. 2 plus 3 is 5. Another example here. We have 2x in parentheses to power 4 times 2x in parentheses power 2. Then we do the same thing. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we get the final answer is 2x in parentheses to the power 6. Now look at the next topic we have, how to divide. When we divide, we subtract the power. Say, for example, you have x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 2. So we write down the base as x and power like 5 minus 2. We're doing the subtraction of powers. So finally, the answer is x to the power 3. Another example here. 3x in parentheses to power 7. And we have to take away 2 from the power, so which is 3x to the power 7 minus 2. I'm repeating again, 3x to the power 7 divided by 3x to the power 2, and then we write down as 7 minus 2, which is 5 power term, and the base is 3x. The final answer is 3x in parentheses to the power 5. Next topic we're talking about now is the negative powers. Say, for example, we have 2 to the power negative 3 we write down as 1 divided by 2 to the power positive 3. A to the power negative 7 will be 1 over a to the power positive 7. All these rules and definitions are on page 299 in your textbook. So you should go over yourself and just to remember what I said, you can review yourself. Then